There you go.
Notice where the spiders are. No!
No, there's no spiders.
Stop, now you look.
It's too cold for them. Okay, hang on to that stump. Put your legs over and slide down. That's it. I got you here. Take your time. Take your time. We're not in a hurry. Take your time.
Big stupid rock.
If you want to stop, it's okay.
Rocks in here.
You want to take a breather? It's
My
okay.
thing is this fat point.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, shut up. Don't
It's-
tell me to shut up.
It's guys, come on. Let's be encouraging for each other because this is scary. First time I did this, it really gave me the heebie-jeebies, and I had
You're not giving her any. You're not tricking her.
because it's more fun tricking you.
I can't stop that. I know.
Okay, hold on to that stump. Bring your both legs over here. You're gonna slide down to here. Okay. There, that's it.
Oh, I swear. We're supposed to go up here.
We're gonna go that direction. See if you remember before you go out.
I don't remember that.
I never came down that way. I was used to go.
Hold on to that stump and put both legs over and slide down this way.
On this stump.
Yep. Both legs over.
I guess this was the sliding board. I told the kids about.
Yeah. And just aim for this. You'll learn every bit of this cave by the time you're done the whole summer. Hold on to that stump and slide down here. Yeah.
I'm here.
You got it? There you go. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, Alan, we got him. I know where we're going.
All right. Can you get him? You got him out from here?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, Alan. See you on the other side.
Thank you. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Okay.
Or maybe I should leave these guys in here. You guys are talking about pizza. Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, pizza for dinner.
Just be like Superman.
I hit my arm.
Okay. There's no graceful way of doing it.
My name's Elliot.
Elliot, sorry. Except for Jazz, you should see her. She's very graceful. She would be all reading before she came in. Maybe, I don't know.
I could be a ballerina. I did not agree with that.
You can have to do it just right outside the door though.
Need to get ready.
Hello there.
Hey,
Wait.
what? Hey!
Randy, in front of stuff.
Cam, you coming?
I'll have a look if there are good people.
Oh, yeah, man, you don't just see.
Just stay with a buddy and let somebody know where you're going.
Yeah, with people. Can't, I actually.
Yeah, there's more here.
Yeah, there's stuff here.
Cam, not Cam. Alex.
I'm not fitting that hole. That triangle hole, I'm not fitting. I'm not fitting.
No? Okay.
What do you do?
That's okay.
You coming this way?
And how do they get out from it? There's no way out.
Come here.
Here there is. Getting out of there.
Wait, stay
Where
here.
am I?
Oh, Brandon!
Come here.
Okay, that's
Never,
the
I'm going
triangle
back.
hole.
I'll come down where they're going. I think there's another way in. There's another way in it.
We caught him.
Yeah.
Oh my God, never mind. How small?
Oh my.
Oh my.
Right, Brandon.
I heard
Brandon,
you everywhere. Even when you're behind us,
You're
you're
lying,
pretty
that's a
funny.
giant hole.
It's pretty funny.
It is.
We think you've cloned yourself, and there's many of you down here.
That's what I like about this place. It's
It's awesome.
mostly in voice contact, at least.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's crazy. So every now and then I find like little walnuts or something.
Oh yeah.
Is that falling from above or
Some
something?
of them are falling from above. Yeah, there's in the Hanging Rock Hall. There's more of it because there's a lot of dirt that comes down through there,
Oh,
and
okay.
there's still some dirt that comes down in some of these other rooms too.
Oh, okay.
And I think some of them are leftovers from before the gate was in, where raccoons would come in
Okay.
and just bring their food in,
Wow.
store.
Crazy.
It is.
It's amazing.
Okay, now they're down in there, right?
Yeah, I was the last one here.
Okay, I'm going to go around and show them how to get out
Sounds good.
from the other side.
I saw Alan. What?
There you guys are. You're coming up right here. Yeah, this is it.
Yo, I can't pull nobody,
Oh,
bro.
Alan's up here.
Wait, Alan's up here? Yo,
Yeah.
Alan!
What?
My goat!
No, it's not.
Let's see.
You little crap.
Alan, everybody's down there. And we're trying to climb up here.
Okay, you can climb up here. At the far end of that room, there's a way out. And also at the far end of this hallway, there's a way
Okay,
to go
it's not even
around.
that tight. It's not even that tight in here.
No.
It's low-key big.
Oh.
Oh, nah. I made it. Whoa, I'm alive.
How many people were behind you? Do you know?
Maybe
There's
like
like
6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe like 6 or 7.
That sounds good.
Hey, around like 6, 7.
Okay, you can either go that way or go that way.
Chuck, bro, move.
You pick.
I'm gonna need.
Oh, nah.
Is this
Not all
Are we
the
gonna
way
have
out.
another chance to free explore?
Yeah.
Oh, whatever I could grab. Oh, yo, I'm not trying to flee.
Let's go this
We
way.
explore down it.
Alright,
Yo, I just escaped from one death. I'm not going down another one. Where are you going? Yo, I'm following Alan. Alan, my goat. Yeah, reasonable
Okay.
ways.
And we can go back in this way.
I'm about to fall.
This way? Can I go?
Yeah, go.
All right.
I'm sorry. I stopped talking in the middle of my thought. What?
Yo, what's in there?
We were in there once before. Go check it out.
I'll actually.
See if you know where you are. Hi.
space is really tiny. Whew.
Where's Shane?
I don't think anyone else made it through. I can't get down
Too
here.
quiet.
Just put a hand on either side of the wall and lower yourself down slowly.
I want to go back up and down.
There you go. Easy. There are more people behind you?
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah, who's that?
That's Mason.
Mason's coming.
Okay.
Anyone behind you?
Yeah, a lot more on.
There's a lot more apparently.
Okay.
We crawled down here.
Oh! Hi.
Can you tell Ellen that you're number 6?
I'm number 6.
Like number 6, get through here.
I'm number 6 kid for here.
Okay.
We've been through that hole.
Down there.
Once we get you guys all together, I can show you another route. If you want to do some more.
That was the tightest squeeze I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, never do it again then. Alan!
What?
Hello.
Hi.
You still filming?
Yep.
This thing is tight.
Let's go vlog.
Yo, god damn!
Yo, that's cross out right there. Bleep.
I'm good.
That's a bleep right there.
Who's here? Ow, my hand!
What?
What's a cool place we can go to?
Uh,
Now I can fit, right?
No, no, you definitely could have fit through that. I fit through it. I swear, you definitely could.
I was not
yeah,
doing
you
that
can
part.
fit. It may be tight, but you
I
can
mean,
fit through
Alan,
it.
you could fit through that triangle hole?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, there's a possible way.
Okay.
But I'm not trying to. I can't go anywhere.
Let's go over there.
Mine's not even
Let's go over
that
there
way.
and gather
Why are you
up.
coming back? Go back down.
Gather together. We're gonna go over there and gather together. I'll show you how
Up here.
to show you where to go.
Go back. I mean, go back.
Yo. You have fun down there?
Who is that?
You dived in some
Is
cave.
that Isaiah?
No, guys, I'm up.
Who is that? Who is in the red helmet up there?
Isaiah and I'm up.
Oh.
And then Chuck.
Thank you for keeping us alive.
Wait till we get out and you can say that.
And then Journey here, I think. Yeah,
You might want to watch that Facebook.
I can see
Yo,
you
you
guys.
might want to watch that Facebook.
All right.
Got it? Yeah, I did.
go my head.
Just be careful when you're up that high, guys. It's a nasty fall if you fall.
Yeah, you in a definitely kiss.
I think we're getting pizza.
You can go back here.
I want pizza so bad.
There's like a giant.
Right here. If you want to go down.
What's down there?
So then maybe don't go down there. Yeah, we can crawl down here. Yeah, go.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I know where we are.
Hold up a second, guys. Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna send you on a mission.
Yeah, this is where we are.
No, wait, where are we going? He's sending us on a mission. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Oh, wait, are we going through that one?
Oh, wait,
Down there.
Oh, we going down there. All right.
Stay together. You can get. It's easy to get lost.
What? Where are we going?
Shane, where you
Down
at?
there, it's easy to get lost. You go all the way through and then up another passage. Just stay together.
Are we leaving now?
Straight left or right?
That way.
Straight.
Right?
That way.
Straight.
That way.
What is that way?
Whatever way, I guess.
The queen is
Depends
here.
on the direction.
We're heading off now?
You're confusing me, Alan.
Get down that hole and off that direction.
The queen is here.
Huh?
You leaving?
No.
Where are we?
We're not even leaving, bro.
John, which hole? This hole.
Yes. I'm gonna go around and get to the other side.
Oh, Alan.
So that
What's
they-
up, Alan?
Hi.
Hi.
How the hell did he get here?
Why are you up here?
He's got a twin brother.
Alan, you
Yeah.
have the worst dress or something.
His twin brother is also recording.
Oh, my wrist.
This is the other part of the
I don't know what happened to it. I think my ankle pad